2022 is just over halfway through, but there are many milestones for BYD. The production of fuel vehicles was stopped in March, and the market value in June stood at trillions, second only to Tesla and Toyota in global market value. In the second half of the year, BYD did not slow down and began to intensively deploy overseas markets. First, it established a Japanese branch to announce its entry into the Japanese market, and then announced its participation in the 2022 Paris Auto Show to expand its product layout in the European market. Regarding entering the Japanese market, Wang Chuanfu, chairman and president of BYD Group, pointed out that, as the first company in the world to develop new energy vehicles, after 27 years of persistence, BYD has fully mastered the core technologies of the entire industry chain, such as batteries, motors, electronic controls, and automotive-grade chips. With the support and expectation of Japanese consumers, BYD came to Japan with new energy passenger vehicles. Well, whether it is the Japanese market or the European market, BYD's passenger car going overseas is still a combination of risks and opportunities. Under the influence of external environments such as the epidemic, geopolitics, and chip shortages, there are challenges and risks in the smooth implementation of Chinese auto companies' export strategies. At the same time, the global turbulent financial system leads to exchange rate fluctuations, which will directly affect the profitability of Chinese auto brands going overseas. So, what opportunities and challenges will BYD face on its internationalization journey? Can BYD become China's first world-renowned car brand? Your vision is your world. Hi. Welcome to Auto Age. Now you are on the journey to look back at every change in the car, and explore the mystery behind the car. Before we started today's video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. In fact, BYD's rechargeable battery business entered the Japanese market as early as 1999. Subsequently, BYD's layout in Japan expanded to include pure electric buses, new energy storage systems, and pure electric forklifts. In particular, the pure electric bus business, BYD opened the Japanese public transportation market as early as 2015, and after several years of rapid development, it has become an important part of Japanese public transportation. According to relevant data, BYD's pure electric buses have a market share of 70% in Japan's electric bus market. After announcing its entry into the Japanese market, BYD has been announcing its development plan in the European market. It will bring its new energy passenger vehicle product matrix to the 2022 Paris Auto Show, which opens in October, and is expected to be released and delivered in Europe in the fourth quarter of this year. It is worth noting that BYD's announcement to participate in the Paris Auto Show is its return to the International Passenger Car Show after more than 10 years. In 2008, BYD brought the F3DM model to the Geneva Motor Show. It was the first time on the stage of the European Auto Show to show the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid new energy vehicle to the outside world. In August last year, BYD Tang EV was launched in the Norwegian market and began to have a try in the European market. At present, BYD has reached strategic cooperation with a number of high-quality dealers in Europe to provide consumers with one-stop services such as new energy vehicles, sales, and after-sales. According to the plan, BYD will continue to expand and deepen its cooperation in Europe in the future, and is committed to providing European customers with high-quality and advanced new energy technology products and services. So, can BYD's road to the international market be unimpeded? What opportunities and challenges will it face? For BYD, the constraints of production capacity will also become one of the obstacles for its internationalization. In the first half of this year, BYD produced a total of 647,900 new energy passenger vehicles, a year-on-year increase of 312.18%, and sold a total of 641,400 new energy passenger vehicles, a year-on-year increase of 314.9%. In addition to the hot sale of new energy products, BYD also holds a large number of orders. Wang Chuanfu revealed at the annual shareholders meeting in June that BYD has not delivered more than 500,000 orders, and the delivery period will take 5 to 6 months. The BYD Seal, which was launched on July 29, has also received more than 60,000 orders. The global new energy boom is an opportunity for Chinese auto brands to go overseas. As the new energy vehicle market with the highest production and sales in the world, the leading players in China's new energy vehicle market generally master the world's leading new energy vehicle-related technologies. Taking BYD as an example, after years of technology accumulation, it has mastered the core technologies of the entire industry chain covering batteries, motors, electronic controls and automotive-grade chips. Among them, in terms of batteries, BYD launched the Blade battery, which not only achieved the endurance comparable to the ternary lithium power battery and the high safety of the lithium iron phosphate power battery, but also made the power battery cost significantly lower than the ternary lithium battery. CTB, cell-to-body, battery-body integration technology expands the performance boundaries of electric vehicles and defines the technical root of the next-generation power battery system. However, BYD has inherent advantages over other Chinese auto brands. BYD's pure electric bus products appeared on the island of Sismonique in the Netherlands as early as 2013. In 2014, BYD's electric bus K9 passed the Altoona test and obtained the TVM qualification equivalent to the airworthiness certificate of an aircraft. Then, the electric bus business in the UK, Brazil, and the Netherlands has started to operate one after another. After years of overseas market layout, BYD has built pure electric bus production bases in the United States, Hungary, Brazil and other places, and established overseas bus research and development centers in Rotterdam, the Netherlands, Los Angeles, and São Paulo, Brazil to conduct localized product research and development. Up to now, BYD bus products have been operating in more than 20 countries and more than 100 cities in Europe, covering more than 70 countries and regions and more than 400 cities around the world. In addition to pure electric buses, BYD pure electric forklifts are also booming in overseas markets. As the world's first car company to achieve mass production of lithium iron phosphate battery forklifts, BYD's forklift products have entered the markets of many developed countries including the United Kingdom, the United States, Germany, Japan and South Korea. In 2019, the global annual sales volume of BYD forklift products reached 16,000 units. In short, BYD's pure electric bus products and forklift products have built an excellent reputation in overseas markets, and the brand has also gained a certain market reputation in overseas markets, laying a solid foundation for BYD passenger vehicles to enter overseas developed markets. So, are you optimistic about BYD's road to internationalization? Do you think BYD can become China's first world-renowned car brand? Okay, that's all for today. Please put your comments below, and share your insightful ideas with other people. Do you want to learn about more auto stories? Please keep following our channel and like our videos. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Your precious time with us is highly appreciated. See you.